My name is Teacher Eugene, and today we'll be reading The Greedy Python, written by Richard Berkeley and illustrated by Eric Call. Half hidden in the jungle green, the biggest snake there's ever been, wound back and forth and in between. The giant snake was very strong and very, very, very long. He had a monstrous appetite, his stomach stretched from left to right. He quickly gobbled in one bite whatever creatures came in sight. A mouse that scampered to and fro, a frog that jumped up from below, a bat that hung from his left toe, a fish that swam a bit too slow, a bird that flew a bit too low. Okay, you can see the animals here. These are the animals the snake ate. A porcupine still half asleep. A monkey who was in mid-leap. So now we have the porcupine and the monkey. A leopard sitting in a tree. A buffalo who came to see. An elephant, complete with trunk, was swallowed in a single chunk. "I'm far too big," he cried. "Oh, no, you're not," the snake replied. At last, the python's meal was done. He lay resting in the sun. The animals inside his skin were making quite a dreadful din. And when they all began to kick, the snake began to feel quite sick. He coughed the whole lot up again, each one of them, and there were 10. Now you see the python. He soon felt better, and what's more, was hungrier than just before. He hadn't learned a single thing. His greed was quite astonishing. He saw his own tail, long and curved, and thought that lunch was being served. He closed his jaw on his own rear, then swallowed hard and disappeared. Okay, so this is our story, The Greedy Python. This story teaches you very important lessons about greed. Greed is something that's very bad. It is a bad characteristics to have, because it inevitably consumes everybody. It kills you. It kills you. So greedy people are bad people in essence, because greedy people are never satisfied with anything. They always want more and more and more. So this story teaches you that be satisfied with what you have in life, and make sure that you are content. Make sure that you're a person that's grateful. You're a person that's happy to have whatever you have, no matter how little it is, as long as it belongs to you and it satisfies you. So take the story as a lesson, and I hope that you learn from this python. Don't be greedy. Okay, thank you very much.